Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, March 5th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this big picture weekly bar chart. 418.86 is our ceiling of resistance. We've got the sell signal from a couple of weeks ago, below which 324.23 remains a 2 to 3 month or sooner objective. This is a rising structure. We'll be pushing into the 330s and 340s over the next 3 to 5 weeks. I mentioned that because there is also this targeted descending channel bottom that is presently at 350, 355 and dropping that I see as really our true objective, especially as it lines up in the coming weeks. And I'm going to say about 3 or 4 weeks with the 324.23 formation. So that is the big picture. Unless we were to close this week, tomorrow, Friday, back above 418.86, that neutralizes the sell signal and actually does skew our directional bias to the upside as we continue into the second quarter. Under that scenario of closing above 418.86, you can see it on this chart here. There's also a channel top coming down today at 416.05, but closing above this zone, especially holding then through Friday, through tomorrow above 418.86, does set up not only 434.47 within 1 to 3 days, but really this low 500 region within 1 to 2 months. It should also be noted that closing above 434.47 is considered a secondary buy signal. And if you do not go long with a settlement tomorrow above 418.86, I do think it's a pretty clear-cut case to go long as we move into April trade with a settlement above this classic horizontal channel top at 434.47. Over the next couple, 2-3 weeks, 434.47, mostly horizontal, but dropping gradually, does converge with this rising channel bottom at 418.86. So as we move through time, it will increasingly become more of a range of resistance that we will identify as our upward pivot point into April, May, 500.61, a 3 to 5 week possibility, a 1 to 2 month probability following a settlement above 434.47. But as I say, even a weekly settlement back above 418.86, I think is the sort of early sign for that likelihood. Let's move on to the downside. We do have, of course, these descending channel tops today. 411.69 is just a minor point. 416.05 is the extreme formation that lines up still pretty well with 418.86. You can see upper right here in the support resistance column. That is our resistance, our sellable resistance as we move through next week and actually through the month of March. From here, we can retest the 390.1238 Fibonacci. That is a long-term Fibonacci that goes back to April 25 of last year. We've tested it twice now, have a bit of a double bottom in the market, but there's nothing to say, and if odds actually favor that holding below 416.05 to 418.86, that we will, between now and the end of next week, actually close below 390.12. And if today you've got a 3 to 5 day downward pivot, a 3 to 5 day sell signal, down to 373.81, where we can bottom out on a daily, possibly weekly basis. That is that long-term channel structure on the weekly chart that should be given the benefit of the doubt of being able to contain at least daily, if not weekly, selling pressures. But we're not taking our eye off the ball. We do see the very clear possibility, and I'm calling it a probability, for bearish continuation into the second quarter below 418.86, this 324.23 formation expected over the next couple of months. We'll also be following this descending channel bottom, as I say, as it converges with that structure over the next 3 or 4 weeks.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVDA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
So Bottom line, we are bearish below 418.86. This is a short sale zone for those of you who aren't short yet. Anticipating longer term, the 320s, 330s, 340s as this continues to rise through time. Our next sell signal, if you haven't gone short yet, would be once again a settlement below the 390.12 3/8 Fibonacci. And then 3 to 5 day swing traders can play the short side down to 373.81. 3 to 5 week swing traders can play the short side down to 353.55 as it continues to descend through time. All of this, erased, if you will, all of this irrelevant if we close this week, tomorrow, Friday, back above 418.86. Then we will begin looking for upside targets, aggressively so upside, with a settlement then also above 434.47. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We do offer a 2-week free trial. If you're looking for your daily NVDA report, you'll find it at wickedstocks.com, along with our daily SPY, our daily Triple Q, our 2 individual stock picks every week. There are several that are pending right now. You can see all of them, and you can see the next several weeks' stock picks. So check out wickedstocks.com. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla report. You have a great day.